everybody. This is 24-25 Fanatics, Authentics, Underwrap, NBA jerseys. Random team number 4, guys. Dice roll. We're going ace deuce 3 times. That plays 1, 2, and 3. Third and finals right there. Dark Tourney on the bottom. Dark Tourney's up top. Good luck on your teams, everybody. 1, 2, third and final. 3 times. Cavaliers on the bottom. The Pistons are up top. Good luck, guys. Thank you, Dark Tourney, again for the kill, buddy. It's up showtime. I have 0 clue. I'm probably not the guy to ask for those kind of questions, to be honest. I don't know what's in the store, honestly, and stuff like that, Nick. You may want to message Erie, to be honest with you. Only because I don't know what's in the store and what they have planned for that channel, you know. You got to give me a little bit, though. I'm mid-break. There's a doorbell. Oh, you can't get it. You can't even do that, huh? Give me a little bit, Nick. I'm mid-break, though. I can't do it right now. Good luck, guys. This has been a phenomenal case. This has been a phenomenal case of jerseys. Let's see something. Good luck, guys. I predict a rookie here. There's no way we go 4 for 4 on vets. I'd like to go 4 for 4 on Mitchell and Ness jerseys, though. Let's see what we get. Good luck, guys. Take your 5s. 5s does kill the case. 5 does kill the case. Kind of don't like spoiling it for us, but let's see. Dude, there is no freaking way. I don't want to ruin it. I don't like ruining it. I see it, though. Oh, you guys can see it, too. Guys, this case is ridiculous. We go 4 for 4. Unbelievable. Dark Tourney on the kill. We go 4 for 4 with 2 Magic in the same case. How about a Tracy McGrady? I almost said 1 of 1. Tracy McGrady, Mitchell and Ness jersey for Orlando. Guys, this is the Mitchell and Ness case. These jerseys retail alone for $300. You're getting it for $16. Oh, this one doesn't have the price tag. Yeah, these are... Oh, right here, right here. Here's the price tag. There's the price... Oh, this one's $135. Never mind. But you know what I mean. The Mitchell and Ness is sick. They're way more high quality. Look at that bad boy. That thing's sick. On the T-Mac auto. That's disgusting. Oh. Somebody's outside. Nice hit. That's sick. Nice clean auto too. Dark Tourney. Congratulations. That was the break, guys. Thank you, everybody. Take your 5s. We had 4 for 4 Mitchell and Nesses. You guys got to take your 5s, I think.